learn how to take charge even when things are hard. We listen, we work hard, we did our best every single day. Now we have waiting for our future. We believe in ourselves. We are ready to keep learning, keep growing, and become who we want to be. Thank you all, teachers who never stop caring for us and loving us, even when we are slow or have dumb jobs. Thank you to our families for loving us, helping us, and always making fun for us. And lastly, we thank the Lord for guiding us, protecting us, and giving us strength every day. I am proud of my class. I am proud of what we can do. We are ready for first grade and for moving up six. So today, as we celebrate our graduation day, let's remember all the fun time we shared, all the survey we learned, and all the fun we made. This is just the beginning of our journey, and we're ready for every effort that's come our way. Thank you, and God bless us all.